We're in the kitchen talking and cooking with Glühwein today, which is a beautiful spiced red wine. And South Africans are obsessed with it. Who knew that? You can drink it room temperature, you can drink it chilled, but it is so amazing when you drink it warm, which brings out all those delicious spicy flavors. Today, we're going to use those spicy flavors to create the most mouth-watering poached pears. Glühwein is a beautiful spiced wine, but we're going to up the spice because we want to poach those pears in there. We want the pears to suck up all the flavor and color and all the spice. So to it, I'm adding green peppercorns, star anise, green cardamom, not a lot, just 3. Cinnamon, light brown sugar going in. I'm going to add some honey, not just for additional sweetness, but also the flavor of honey and a touch of acidity, which you do need with this dish. We're going to add some orange zest, just the bright orange part. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla now, and the vanilla makes such a difference in the poaching liquid. Let's talk pears. Now, as delicious as those soft, juicy pears are, those are not the pears you want to be using for poaching. You're looking for a firmer, crisp pear. These are forel pears, and besides the fact that it's a perfect texture, I also think it's the perfect size. So we're going to peel it, keep the stalks on, that's very traditional, and we're going to add it to our poaching liquid. Once I get the pears in the pot, I'm going to cover it with a cartouche. I don't want to cover it with a lid because I want some of that liquid to evaporate. Our pears are beautiful and tender. Look at that color, look how it's changed. We're going to reduce this liquid to make the most delicious Glühwein glaze. I'm going to be serving our poached pears with some ice cream. But to stop the ice cream from moving around in the bowl, I'm going to serve it on some crushed ginger snap biscuits. Glühwein poached pears. It's an oldie, but it's a goldie. And that combination with the cold ice cream, perfect. But if you want another pairing, the poached pears with a big slab of ripe gorgonzola and a glass of Glühwein, of course.